it started with this, then we had this. That's nothing compared to this. It's twice the size of both of these combined. There's a link in the description if you're mad enough to attempt this yourself. Let's get started. Some advice for if you're going to do this yourself. If a piece doesn't fit, get a file and file it down until it does fit, or some sandpaper that they include in the box. Don't just push until it does fit, because then you'll end up breaking it, like I did. This is the final model. It looks insane. It's so long, it's longer than this digger, even with the arm fully extended. It's the same length as this car and this car combined. It's just so big. But there are some problems. This stand is far too wobbly, so we can fix that. That's much better. Now it doesn't wobble anymore. Now I've finished, I've got to put it on the shelf with all the others. But there's a slight problem with that. It's a bit full. So, this shelf is going to have to go. That's much better. Now there's actually space on the shelf to put stuff. So, smooth transition. I can't put this up in one go because I have to film with one hand, so that off the side, get the stand, let's put it there in the bottom shelf. So, and then I've got two more shelves I can use. And then get this. Look at those smooth transitions, and put it there. perfect. So look out for future videos. Link in the description if you want to get one of these for yourself. And for those of you who are interested, this is my gear that I use. So I've got these files, which are really useful for getting bits the right shape you want. A knife, if I want to cut stuff. I've got this old iPad that I found that I use for the instructions. And I've got this gimbal, which isn't in the case because that's what I'm using to film this on with my phone. Then for the main shots, I've got this Canon E05-100D. Can't really see it. It's a great camera. I've got a wide angle lens and a normal lens here. For the recording, it can shoot in full HD, 25 frames per second, or 24 frames per second, or 50 frames per second if you want a lower quality. And for pictures, it can shoot 5184 by 3456, which I think is 4K. I don't know, but it's a great camera. Then I've got some lights. I've got my shelves of all my stuff.